Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Alexa's Garden. In this video I want to show you how to transplant lobelia seedlings in pots. Let's go! This is my lobelia seedlings. I sowed this lobelia 12 February in this year. Let's transplant lobelia seedlings with me. When should I transplant a lobelia seedling? For big blue lobelia and trailing lobelia seedling, the ideal period for transplanting lobelia seedling is after the formation of the third and fourth new leaf. This is about a month after the lobelia seeds are sown. Why is transplanting lobelia seedlings useful? Transplanting lobelia seedlings is useful because it's a new opportunity for the plant. It is a new nutrient-rich soil and new stimulation of the root system of the plant. Transplanting lobelia seedlings promotes better growth of the plant and the formation of new roots. At what stage should I transplant lobelia seedlings? Lobelia plants should have 3 to 4 pairs of true leaves. However, you can wait to plant them out until they are much bigger, because such small plants are difficult to transplant. But you may have to transplant them into bigger pots if the lobelia seedlings are still grown and start to get attached to the pot. How to successfully transplant lobelia seedlings? First, you need to sufficiently moisturize the small lobelia plants in a pot. Then you need to prepare separate pots in which the lobelia will grow. I use plastic cups and neutral fine peat with agropperlite. After transplanting lobelia seedlings, it is important to water the plants well. Fertilize with a complex fertilizer which is a high phosphorus content, and put the plants in a shaded place for 1 to 2 days to minimize the process of photosynthesis of lobelia leaves to allow the roots to adapt after transplanting. That's all that I want to tell you about lobelia transplanting on pots in the spring. I hope this video will be useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, a thumbs up below this video. See you soon!